everyone, welcome back to Dreams and You. Hope you all are going well. Today I'm going to be sharing another cartoon-themed drawing page with you. Now, let's get started. I'll be working on a page inspired by How to Train Your Dragon movie. I'm excited to share my process with you, from sketch to final touches. So, grab your sketchbooks and let's create something beautiful together. Now, let's dive into the sketching phase. I'll start by outlining the basic shapes and forms to establish the composition. Don't worry about making it perfect right away. We'll refine as we go along. Feel free to sketch along with me and share your progress in the comments below. Let me quickly run through the materials I'll be using for this drawing. This is an Oxford 160 GSM sketchbook, and I have my trusty Ohuhu and Touch Cool markers. Feel free to use whatever you have at home. It's all about enjoying the creative process. I am starting up with drawing Hiccup. Feel free to add your own touch to make it unique. Now let's bring our favorite dragons to life. I'm going to be drawing Toothless, the Night Fury. Sketch out those sleek curves and those big, expressive eyes. Remember, it's your drawing, so feel free to add your own flair. With the basic outlines in place, it's time to add some details. Let's give Toothless those iconic scales and add some texture to the landscape. Now, the most fun part, coloring. I'll be using Ohuhu markers, but feel free to use whatever you're comfortable with. Let's bring Toothless to life with vibrant colors and capture the essence of this incredible world. And there you have it, our How to Train Your Dragon inspired drawing. I hope you enjoyed following along with this process. I had a blast creating this with you all, and I hope you enjoyed it too. If you recreated this drawing or have any questions, feel free to share in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, happy drawing and may your skies be filled with dragons. Bye!